Second best tool truck arrived, Amazon. Had some deals on 3/8 drive packages for gear wrench. I've got the long-handled indexable 90 tooth, long-handled straight 90 tooth, regular handle, and stubby. And we've got a breaker bar in here and various wobble extensions and locking extensions. This will be going to the shop for my mobile construction equipment. This will be the tools that my guys can have in the toolbox when we're working on equipment, and I don't have to bring quite as much of my regular stuff in my road box. So not a bad deal. I was pretty happy with it. Set me back $90.